Yo, 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 what up, YouTube reacts? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. So, as you can see, got a package here in front of me. I'm out of breath because I just got back home. So, yeah, I'm sorry. So, at no further ado, let's open this up. Normally I have the bat knife, but don't need it for this package because the simple fact is, it's just a simple rip a tag, and so, and I don't, maybe I do need it. You know what? We do need it. Yeah, we will need it. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. Yeah. So we're going to just do it from right here. There we go. So I just got to explain something about this package real quick. Damn, this thing is tight. That's what she said. Ha! That package is like... can we get it out? Can we get it out? I think I might have to go a little bit deeper in here. That's what she said. There we go. Okay. You know, when you get stuff through FedEx, they don't take care of the product and stuff correctly. So this is what I got right here from Hollyland. Now, I did get this used. It's because it was cheap. I only paid like $190 something. I wasn't trying to spend $270 something or $290 something with the earpiece on top of it. So I got it used. This is refurbished. Normally I don't get refurbished. This happened through FedEx. This is not from the company. The guy already showed me how a package looked. So yeah, this is not from them. This is actually from FedEx because they just don't take care of shit in their possession. So here we go. Get this out. I mean, I might go back and rebuy this if Amazon has another sale for Black Friday. I might rebuy this back again. So there we go right here. Nothing inside here. That's the packaging. There we go. So here we go right here. So we get the dead cat right there. Get another dead cat. No, this is, you know what? For this to be refurbished, used, all this stuff is still closed. So I think the person that actually had this before didn't use this at all. That in here. Yeah, all this stuff is still closed. This is still sealed. Yeah, all that's still sealed. Okay. Yeah, all this is sealed. Yeah, none of this been touched. I am going to take each things out. Yeah, none of this stuff been touched. You can tell. Look at this. This is completely sealed. And this been sealed. Yeah. So this is literally a brand new item for a cheap ass price. I only paid $90. Actually, I got it on a sale. Basically what happened was I did a negotiation with him. He was originally selling it for $190. I bargained it down to $185 and got it down. So he said it's refurbished. Well, he said it was used. This is not used. None of these seals on here has been broken. Look at this. It's still sealed. The glue is still intact until I pull this. Yeah, now it's no longer used because I just broke the seal. Yeah, now you can see now it's no longer used. Well, now it's now used. You just seen I just broke the seal towards it. So all this stuff is, it's just the dead cat right here. This is the extra extended pieces. Let me see, is this been opened? No, this is not even open. Look at that. No, this is fresh glue. And as you can see, when I'm pulling it open, the bag is starting to rip. Yeah, you can tell this was never used. This is brand new. There we go. This is the adapter pieces right there. Basically for the 3.5mm headphone jacks. These are the dead cats. This is the magnets, I believe. Let's look at this one. So you can tell if it's been open or not. So when you start pulling on this, you're going to see the bag start ripping. As you can see, I'm pulling it very soft. And you can see right here where the plastic is stretching right there. There we go. Here's the magnet pieces. Yeah, I just ripped it up and you can see right there. So it's never been used. This has never been used whatsoever. This is... I want you guys to see it also right here. See that? When I pull it, you see the glue lifting up. And the bag is ripping. Yeah, this has never been used. This is a tight seal. Yeah, I'm ripping the bag now. I have to rip the bag. I have to. This is not used. He said it was used, but it's actually not. I have to rip the bag though. There we go. So this is for the iPhone part. I don't need this because I don't have that part, but this will come in handy. I should have just kept it in the bag because I don't actually need this piece whatsoever. I don't have an iPhone, 11, stuff like that. So here's the magnets, dead cat cord, other dead cat right here, 2 dead cats, the magnet and the parts right here. There we go. And here's the star of the show right here. Let's lift this up, and I can tell right now if this has been used or not. Nope. Look at this. Even if I was to use my hot air glue, look at that. This has never been opened. Look at that. Let me see. Yep, it's never been opened. You can see the difference between open and closed. You see a complete seal right here and right here. It's when I just pulled it open. 2 different seals. So yeah, this has never been opened. I don't see no fingerprints on it. Besides my fingerprints on it, which is not much. He said it's been used. I don't see no type of usage on here. Yeah, this is brand new. This is brand new. Why did he say it's been used? This is new. Everything's brand new in here. Everything in here is new. And those are not even scratches. That's it, just been sitting inside the case for that much time. Yeah, all the stuff in here is brand freaking new. Alright, so the question is, why did I buy this? Because I do have this right here, my DJI mic minis right here. I do have this one right here. As you can see, I keep my stuff charged up. And the microphone that I'm using right now is my my mic 2 from DJI. And the reason why I got this because I need this part right here, because basically when I'm using the mic minis, and because it doesn't have a lot of stuff to actually to do on here for like sounds, I do keep this in safe mode, safety track. And the reason why I keep it in safety track is like, if you hear the noise that's going on now, I get a lot of background noise, like with my fan from ROG Ally X running and my PC fan running. So what I do is I take the audio that's coming from my mic 2 right now, which I'm going to show you right now. So let me just take it off my shirt. You're going to probably hear me rattling with it. So here it is right there. As you can see, because I'm actually recording right now, as you can see. And I normally take the sound from my mic 2, because because it's using 32-bit float, and I can basically take a lot of the sound off because it's actually removing a lot of the sound off here. I normally throw it in what is it? What is it? What's the name of the damn program? DaVinci Reserve, whatever. And I just basically turn the sound up. Now the thing is, when I'm using the mic minis and I'm using a safety track, because I have the audio basically set to like -6 half of the time, and I got it on my DJI Pocket 3, which I'm using right now. When I put it into the system, I turn the audio up, it's still low. So I actually have to go into Audacity, turn the audio up a little bit, then drop inside DaVinci Resolve to get the audio up. Then I still gotta tweak everything, and I just basically hate doing all that stuff like that. So cheap price, this is a big steal. So I'm just gonna order the freaking wireless headpiece from Hollyland and do the monitoring. So how do I do my headsets wirelessly? I basically use these right here. So this helps me go wirelessly. So basically what I'll do is I'll plug either this part directly into my DJI Pocket 3, or I can take, let's see which one it is. Okay, here it is. I would take this, plug this part into the Pocket 3, but since I'm using a Pocket 3, I will actually use this part going directly into the Pocket 3, so it's going to be USB Type-C to Type-C. And what I do is, once I have that connected by USB Type-C, on this receiver right here, what I'll do is I'll plug my my IEMs in towards it, and I'll clip this to my belt, and I go full wireless like that, and I can hear everything seamlessly, zero delay like that. There's multiple ways to do it. So I can plug this in. So if I'm using this right here, I will plug this part into that goes into this part right here, and then I'll put my IEMs inside this one and go and basically use it like that. Or if I want to go another route and use a wireless thing, I do have another wireless receiver that I can use it, but that has latency on it, so that's kind of the reason why I don't use that receiver. I do use it on this microphone right here if I'm going wireless, so I can hear myself. But like I said, there's a latency delay, and I don't like using that specifically. So most likely I'll just use this half of the time, like that. So let's put this back. And there we go. So there it is, guys. I'm gonna start testing this thing out. Cheap price. Everything on here is brand freaking new. 90 bucks. He said it was used. He put it down for used. I did look at the review for it. People said that he says it's used, but it's actually brand spanking new, and this is brand new. I don't see not one fingerprint on it besides what I'm touching. And let's just turn it on really quick. I don't see not one fingerprint on here. And there we go. Yeah, so everything is working. I'm sorry about that, guys. I put this on Do Not Disturb, and I'm still getting sounds coming in. I don't know why it's doing that. But yeah, there it is right there. Would it charge like this? Oh, that's why it's not charging. I don't have the thing on it. Okay. So let's just remove this really quick while we're on recording. Drop that down. There we go. Record. Charging. I said recording. Let's put this on there real fast. That's charging. There we go. Okay, okay. Remove this one. There we go. Let's move this off the mic. Okay. There we go. Move this one off the mic. There we go. And move the last one off the mic. Well, off the dock, if I can get my fingers in it, because this is slippery. Also, I guess this doesn't need to charge, does it? No, this is powered by USB. So yeah, there we go, guys. I'm already liking it. And two ways to use this: use the mic and the magnets. To be honest with this, just literally just pop this on your shirt like that. I like the way how the stickers. You know what? We're gonna leave that sticker on here, and we can literally just go like this. Slide this on here like so. So let's lift that up a little. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Get this magnet off. Ooh, that sucker just flew. What just popped off of that? What was that just fell off? Oh, it's this. Okay, I don't know what that is, but... Oh, that magnet is strong. Yeah, that's a strong magnet. Yeah, you can't put it on with the magnet on there. And you can't put it on with that on here neither. So just slide that off. Okay. Yo, that magnet is strong. And you use this to separate the magnets. Okay, so that's what that's for. As you can see, it just snapped together. So this right here is to keep the magnets from, I guess, being complete together. So you keep that in between here to keep it like that. So you'll be able to pull it off. And you put that on that part and that part right there. Okay, there we go. Alright guys, sorry that took so long, 16 minutes for this video. I ain't mean for it to be that long, guys. But I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.